So let me demonstrate to you on how to access a Amazon Web Console. So first, let's go to our Google Chrome or browser, whatever you use, and search for Amazon Free Cloud AWS Amazon.com. So let's just create an account. So for me, let's create an account, and first thing you need to do is sign up. Use the email you want and your AWS account name. This account name may be used for signing in, and then let's go. Let me use some other account so that we can have the full form for the sign up. So let's go. So it's create. Then after going to create, have these words. Click at email.com. So let's say click the verify email address, and let's have the security verification. Just wait for the and type this captcha here. So BGT DFX submit. So upon completing, you have now to get the verification code which sent to your email, and we have the verification code which is 6272 431. So let's add 672431. Verify. As you can see, we have the password. So let's add some password. Uh, yeah, 2003. So if you put your password, just say any password you want. Don't forget that password and save. So here we have the another form. So we have the personal use, full name, then Ford, get uno. Use your country code, which is Philippines for me. 0945670183. Select your country region, which is Philippines. Put your address, city, and your province. Postal code, and so upon this, put some of your credit card and that so on, so on. And now, if you have this put, you will now able to verify your account. So verification process, for me, I don't have the credit card. So if you have the credit card, just put it and you will go to verification process. So after you create your account, this will look like here. Wait, let me go to home. Um, Here, let me take this off, and you will go to dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the console home. So Amazon console home here. Here are the recent which I have engaged in this console. So as you can see here, You can select your region, any region you want, and that's it. So that's how you create your account here in Amazon AWS. And that's it. Thank you.